Hello students, welcome to Saturday session, class 4. Last session we had discussed about patola, lesson number 22. You know that it is a weaving art. It is a weaving art. You can see the beautiful designs over here. Now let us discuss more about it. In this traditional art, it is learned at home and different kind of weaving can be learned. Occupation like carpet weaving, making toys, making perfume also is a art. From thread to cloth, the threads which are used to weave patola is made from the mulberry silk, which is white. Father bring these silk threads from outside. The threads are opened and made into a grid. That means in crisscross manner, one gridding will be made. After the design is made on that, design thread is tied thereafter, which is called bandhani work. Bandhani means traditionally tying of a sari. The part which has to be dyed is kept open. According to measurement, it is dyed and tied up again. This work is hard and time consuming. When grid is designed and finished dyeing, after that it is put up on the handloom for the weaving. Hence, after the hard work of 4 to 6 months, beautiful colorful patola is prepared. The grid is fast colored, so there is no chance of washing out of the color of patola. Durability and color of patola remain the same for many years. That is why saying in Gujarati that padi patole baad fate pan fite nahi. This handicraft is in danger now. The preparation of patola, care and patience are required for the skill of weaving, designing and dyeing. It is a hard work of many days. Mulberry silk and colors are very costly, so it is sold at very high cost. Earlier there were 700 families connected with this handicraft, but now only 3 families are trying to keep the handicraft alive. Many people have left this occupation because of certain economical conditions, and machines are making this work nowadays. Patola handicraft, it is only the one pride of a pattern, but it is the dignity and pride of Gujarat and India. It is precious and unique identity of an ancient heritage and Indian culture. It is going to be vanished. For that, we have to give good price of patola and help the kasbis, that means those who are making. Otherwise, this precious art will be vanished very fast. It will disappear. Will Moksha and Nirmal be able to teach their children this beautiful art? That is a question in the next generation, because whether it will be alive or not, that will be a question. Then there are some question series that we have to discuss. That have you ever seen anyone weave something on a loom? That means have you ever visited or not? The thread of the sari are dyed. Do you know what is the meaning of dyeing? Dyeing means of color work. Do you know any other work which many people living on one place to do? Do they make the same thing? Get information from the process of making the things. Do men and women do the different kind of work to make these things? Do the children also contribute making in these things? That everything we have to discuss and find out in our activity based learning. Then we shall have a more idea and more points about this other artisans in Gujarat. Till then, I remain. Thank you.